First group out today is going to be the Historics. Getting fired up. They're all pre-1964 go-karts. Karts are going to get the green after they run a full lap around the track. No. I'm just going to stand right here so I can get the next grid coming up. Okay, so while the Historics are out here running, we're going to use Grid A and Grid B this year. So they came out on Grid A, the guys are lining up over here on Grid B. Okay, so they're going to get lined up here, and then they're going to go down and take the green.
I don't know why he didn't let them go.
So we're going to have Yamahas on here, coming off of Grid B. We have dual Yamahas. So we're putting out somewhere around 60 horsepower, 14,000 RPM. Quite a group of them. Big group. There's 100cc McCulloughs in there. There's a Diston chainsaw motor in there. There's a little bit of everything. And you run Historics for the fun of it. Show off what the real old stuff will do. There'll be a couple quick guys, and then there'll be a bunch of guys that aren't quick. So it is what it is at the end of the day. Grid A is getting ready to line up again, which will be, looks like stock appearing McCulloughs on the sidewinders. 400cc Mac with a dry clutch box muffler and Sidewinder. Run the regular V4 Mac manifold. Get to run the big carb on it. These run really well. Very fun class to run. Normally a pretty big group. In light and heavy. Weight break's probably around 190 pounds. Everybody weighs in when you sign in. And there's Barry, the showman.
Sportsman Sidewinder, I'm going to line you guys up here. There's all sorts of buses. You're good. 31, you're good.
First place Kart, that's Mark DeLea. He's out of New York. He travels to a lot of these events, comes from a long ways. Tom Kelly's from Lindenhurst, Illinois. That was Rick. He's out of Akron, Ohio. Track, but there's all different size motors. There's 3.5 horse motors out here, and there's 10 horse motors out here. Some of the drivers' families and some of the drivers that are running right now standing here in the shade.
Do you start at the same time?
You gotta have a starter that spins the left-hand motor. You gotta have a starter that spins the right-hand motor. You can't use the same starter on each one. Bart Nagel here. Looks like he's gonna be on the pole. Amy in the second row.
Yeah.